We got a possible double pop here on Purrfect Trio, playing at Peppermill Casino and Resort in Reno. Drove 7 hours to get here yesterday. Same for the weekend. Playing at the Peppermill tonight. Played at the Grand Sierra Resort earlier today. Look for all those videos on the playlist from the channel. Check out the library. We got the extra spins and the jackpot. We just had the jackpot maybe 10 spins ago. He treated us pretty good. We expect to get treated even better using the extra spins in tandem with it on the double pop here. Check out the channel. Check out the library. Over 750 bonus videos uploaded. We like it when he drops those. Then he does a little dance on his pedestal. And then the extra spins pops out. He does a dance. Oh, these cute little kitties. Drop that jackpot box. What happened? Keep on going, kitties. How is extra spins throwing out values? There you go. More of those. There you go. More of those. We got 6 more spins.
Jackpot.
There you go. Extra spins. Extra spins, kitty cat. Nice. More spins. There you go. We need this jackpot kitty to start doing his weight. Check out the channel. Check out the library. Hit subscribe. Casino Bonus Views. We gamble all over the world and post up our videos. There we go. You got so many spins, you're not going to tease us this time, Blue Kitty. I mean, we got the minor. That was great. But you lit up the major and the grand for us, too. We need bowls. There you go, there you go. Words, words, words. Words, words, words. Words, 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 kitty cats. Let's warm things up with a minor. Extra spins is always fantastic. Both of them? No repeat. We didn't get the repeat kitty. Extra spins. Where you at, extra spins? What happened? The kitty's tired. They're trying to take naps. We're in a bonus. It's game time, kitties. 56, 57, 60. Not as good as the previous one. Look for that video in the library. Casino Bonus Views. Hit subscribe and good luck.